First, we do this multiplication, 6 over 7 times 7. We can easily cancel this 7 and this 7, so here we have just 6. And 6 divided by 6 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and they have to go from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division, 6 divided by 6 over 7. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for Philip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and Philip the second fraction. And here we have times 7. Now, we can easily cancel this 6 and this 6. So we have just 7 times 7, which equals 49. And this is our final answer to this problem.